Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here we have an exponential equation to solve for x. So our equation is x square root x plus 3 minus square root x whole power of 5 is equal to 33. Let's take 3 minus square root x is equal to y, because I think it will be difficult to go with 3 minus square root x. So I think it will be easy to go with y. So now let 3 minus square root x is equal to y. Now our equation will be x square root x plus square root y power 5 is equal to 33. So now look at here carefully. Y is looking same as x. Here we have x square root x times. So y square root y power 4 and square root y. So when we cancel square root y, so with power 4 it will be y square 1 over 2 and it will be y square. So y square root y x square root x. So both terms are now just same. So now we can write it as x square root x plus y square root y is equal to 33. Now suppose square root x is equal to a and square root y is equal to b. So x will be equal to a square and y will be equal to b square. Before moving further, please subscribe my channel and also hit the like button. So now we have x square is equal to a power 4. If x is equal to a square, then x square will be equal to a power 4 and y square will be equal to b power 4. So now just matching our above equation to our above equation, a power 5 plus b power 5 is equal to 33. Now taking our equation once again, 3 is equal to square root y plus square root x. So substituting the value of square root x and y in this equation, we get 3 is equal to a plus b, squaring both sides and writing respectively. We can write here a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 9. So once again, let take ab is equal to m. Let's take ab is equal to m. Just to solve our question very simply, I have take ab is equal to m. So now we have a square plus b square is equal to 9 minus 2m. Now as we know, we have to find the value of a power 5 and b power 5. So taking once again our equation, a plus b is equal to 3, and now taking cube of both sides. Applying cube to both sides to get a power 5 and b power 5. So it will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and bracket a plus b our bracket our is equal to will be 27. 3's cube will be 27. So now we have a cube plus b cube plus 3. Instead of ab we will write here m once again. So it will be m, and a plus b as we know is equal to 3. So here substituting that value in our equation, now we have a cube plus b cube plus 9m 3 times m. So 9m is equal to 27. Or we can write as a cube plus b cube is equal to 27 minus 9m. Now we are multiplying here both equations. This is equation 2 and equation 3. So we are multiplying these both equations to solve for a, b and m and get a power 5 and b power 5. So writing here a square plus b square, a cube plus b cube is equal to 9 minus 2m from equation 2 and 27 minus 9m from equation 3. So left hand side to left hand side and right hand side times right hand side. So after multiplying we can write as a square times a cube will be a power 5 plus b power 5 plus a square and b cube. A square times b cube plus a b square times a cube is equal to 27 times 9 will be 243 minus 2 times 27 will be 54 m minus minus plus 2 times 9 2m times 9m will be 18m square and 9 times 9m will be 81m. After further solving we get a power 5 plus b power 5 as we know is equal to 33. So 33 plus here we are taking a square b square common from both terms and remaining a plus b will be same is equal to 243 54 m and 81 m. So both values are negative, so it will be negative 135 m and positive 18 m square will be same. So now we have 33 plus a square b square means m square, and as we know a plus b is equal to 3 is equal to 243 minus 135 m plus 18 m square. I think we are moving to a quadratic equation. 33 plus 3m square is equal to 243 minus 135m plus 18m square. So now we can see here we have positive 18m square at right hand side and 3m square at left hand side. So it will be 15m square minus 135m and positive 243 negative 33 will be positive 210 is equal to 0. So now one thing is looking common here, which is 15, and taking 15 common, remaining will be m square 9 times m, yes 9 times m 135 plus here 14 times I think m is equal to 210. Finally we got a quadratic equation. M square factors of 9m will be minus 7m and minus 2m. M is common and remaining are m minus 7, minus 2 is common and m minus 7 is equal to 0. So m minus 2 is equal to 0 and m minus 7 also equal to 0. M is equal to positive 2 and m is equal to 7. We had supposed m is equal to AB. AB is equal to m. So now we can write here AB is equal to 2 and AB is equal to 7. Here we can write as B is equal to 2 over A and B is equal to 7 over A. Once again taking our equation A plus B is equal to 3 and writing here value of B 2 over A is equal to minus 3 is equal to 0. So it will be a square after multiplying equation by a, we get a square plus 2 minus 3a is equal to 0. Once again we have a quadratic equation to solve. Minus 3a square minus 3a plus 2 is equal to 0, and the factors of minus 3a will be minus 2a and minus a. A is common and remaining are a minus 2, minus 1 is common, and also remaining are a minus 2. So a minus 1 is equal to 0 and a minus 2 is equal to 0. A is equal to 1 and a is equal to 2. So now we have here two values of a. As we know, we have take a is equal to square root x, I think. Looking back, yes, square root x is equal to a. So we have two values of a which will be equal to square root x. So square root x is equal to 1 and square root x is equal to 2. After squaring all the terms, we get square root and x square will be cancelled, and x is equal to 1 here, and here x is equal to 4. So here we have two values of x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4. But don't forget, we have another value of b is equal to 7 over a. We had solved the question with only 2 over a. Now we are solving with 7 over a. Once again, taking our equation, a plus b is equal to 3, and substituting the value of b in our equation, 7 over a is equal to 3. So once again, multiplying equation with a by a, we get a square plus 7 is equal to 3a, or a square minus 3a plus 7 is equal to 0. As we know, 7 is a prime number, so we can't make factors of negative 3a from this equation, and if we take here quadratic formula, we get negative value, so it is rejected. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.